Right, Tony's just turning up to do a guest session with me down here at St Genevieve. Hello, mate.
Right, bud.
Good to see you.
Thank you. How's it going?
Genevieve. Yeah. Right. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Fishing Adventures of Michael, Daisy and Friends. We're at St Genevieve. My good mate Tony has joined us. We're going to get the rods out. Fingers crossed.
Tony, my man.
How are you, bud?
Time no see, brother.
To think how many years
It's been a long time, mate, isn't it?
Right, time to find some spots in this weedy lake. Tony's gone beside me in peg 10. Nice to do a guest session. Tony's getting straight in his swim. Looking very carpy out there. Some 10, 12 millers, 15 millers and some hemp. So the rods are out. I've got one right hand rod 80 yards out here. I've got the middle rod on a spot over here towards a mark on the fence, and the left hand rod just on the same spot. It is weed from quarter of the way out all the way to the back. Tony's got his rods out. Tony, you all set? He's fishing. Nothing to report other than rain and a few midgies and no carp yet.
Yeah.
You can hear it's still raining, no fish. Thai green curry, sticky rice, kung po, Singapore noodles. We've got Thai red, tuck in gents. Hey! Dinner o'clock. Plates are cleaned. We've nearly demolished it. Until tomorrow, say good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good morning. The wind's still thrashing down. Rods haven't moved. The sun is up there somewhere. Bit of a late start to the day, but we had rain all night. It absolutely, hopefully it's livened it up a bit. Me. Look at that, been through the grater. I think it's just the volume of weed in here. Pumped it in, I was doing it all how I would normally do it. This could be my boogie water with regards to losing fish. Keep moving it if you can, just keep it moving inch by inch. Walk further back up to your bank, get some height on it. It's morning, Wes. Say hello.
Morning, old pal, how are you?
Yeah, good. Slept like a... yeah.
Yeah, likewise.
Hopefully we can land a fish. Well, Tony, I'm useless.
I think it's a chunk.
There she is. Keep coming. She's in, mate. And it is a good unit. That's a proper unit.
It's a fish, mate.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah. Touch, well done, son.
Well done.
Pal.
Well done. Nice work, Tony. Tail up a bit. She is a unit.
Yes, boy. Have it.
Oh, wait, Michael.
Sorry, I'm out of the way. She is looking great. Showing us how it's done, Tony, on a guest session. Thanks for that.
Cheers, boys.
I'm
It's always a pleasure.
well done. I'm well happy for you, man.
This way, Tony, a little bit.
I was cooking breakfast before Tony's fish interrupted us. Yeah.
Yahoo!
Breakfast.
What the? Right, I was cooking breakfast prior to Tony's fish. I'm sure I turned it off. I might have just turned it down. The wind's blown it out. As you've seen, we've had a little fiery incident. We've got black pudding, eggs, mushrooms, sausages. Yeah, we've got...
Defibrillator.
Tony's only just gone and put that rod out. Same rod as before. Left hand one. Rattled off again. Keep it moving, bud. Guy's on fire. Yeah, 21.6.
Yep.
Head the fish to me slightly. Superb, Tony. Lovely. Look at the rudder and the fins on that. Right, let's get you a couple of these. They're all old damage and she's healing from them. Well done, Tony. Show me how to do it. Right, it looks like rain's on the horizon or just above us. So we've lit the Barbie. How's about that, Wes?
Yeah, we'll pop a clip.
Right, Barbie in the rain. Very British thing to do. Looking good, Wes.
Try my hardest, boys. Try my hardest.
Nice. Hopefully we've got no more rain. Sun's setting. We're on the third course of the chicken, chilies, onion. We've had the sausages, the burgers. Warming ourselves. Looking good. And going through today's photos. You did good, Tony. Really good. It's cracking fish. Morning, Tony.
Morning.
Sun's out. Geese are flying in. Yeah, inch by inch is how you need to work it. Take it easy, Tony. Got her moving. Well done, Tony. Watch your other lines. No, I can't. Oh, that was sketchy. Proper sketchy. But she's in, Tony.
That's silky.
Let's call it 22s. Well done, Tony.
22.
Third fish. 22.
22s.
Nice. Really nice.
And my phone's in my pocket, which is not good.
Cracking fish, mate. Lovely blue sky. Sun's out. Slow pack down.
No bacon at the moment.
No bacon sangers at the moment.
Bar of gold.
Not through my legs.
Go through his legs.
You can't make that up. That's amazing. There she is at the back of the cloud, heading out into open water. Well done, Tony. 3-0 so far. Right, the bacon's on. The hauler's cooking breakfast today. It's the slow pack down. Looks as if I'm drying everything out and having a jumble sale. Great session down here at St Genevieve. Well, for this one, yeah, Tony, you've done me proud. And you've had what since you've been down?
I've had 3 fish. Yeah, first one was a 36.7, and then I had a 21.6 mirror. I had a £22 bar of gold.
Do me a favour, don't like, don't subscribe. You've got better things to do with yourself than watch me. Go fishing. Peace.